Remote start. Hey. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're here today because we got exciting news. We got us a brand new build. Maybe not the build we were looking for, but it's a build just the same. We got a budget build going on today. We're going to get started with it. It's a young man. He's trying to better himself, go off to college, so he's got a tight budget, and we're going to try to stick to that budget. You know, we're going to fix this thing up, and at the end of this, we're going to do just like last time. We're going to tell you exactly to the penny what we got in it. So let's check it out here. I think you're going to like it. So this is our 2015 Nissan Altima. So she is setting up on the block right now, just ever so slightly. So what we got to do is we got to jump in here and we got to try to get the suspension changed out to get this sucker down, get some wheels on it so we can get it in the shop. So this is going to be our budget build, you know, the one we were talking about. So we're going to try to get some of this stuff out of the way, and let's hop to it. Yeah, real quick, we pulled that wheel off to see what was going on in here. Looks like the control arm, bad day. Tire rod in, bad day. Axle, bad day. You know, nothing much in there. I mean, we can fix all that. That's no problem. We just jump right in there, see what we can find, and we'll get it going. So me and JP, we've been making quick work of this. We're trying to just get this thing put back together, you know, just get it in the garage, because that's all we want to do. We get the new control arm in. We're going to try to just force it down, get the axle scooted back in, and then just put a tire on it so we can get it in the garage. I was working on it in the yard, ain't no fun. Check that out. Nice, pretty clean. I mean, a clean little car. It's got, hey, looky there. I mean, it's ready to run. I mean, can't beat that. You cannot beat that. I mean, check it out. Let's see what we got in here. Looky there, not even any hidden treasures. Well, I'm guessing that this guy's insurance went up. It went up. First one of those I've seen in a car. I wonder if this is the safe driving discount. If it is, it's going up just a smidge. Just a smidge. Now, I've had Nissans before. I like Nissans. Nissans are good cars. Hey, they're nice cars. We'll get rid of that beeping. So what we got in here? Nothing much in there. Nothing much in there. Back seat's all cleaned out. I mean, we've got XM radio, we've got air conditioning, we've got the CVT in this car. It's a 4-cylinder car, should be cheap on gas. I mean, everything inside looks real good. I'm excited. I mean, we're going to jump on it just like we did all the others. This is going to be a fun adventure. We're probably going to use some aftermarket parts on it. Just keep it low, you know, just to keep it low. That's what we're going to do. You do good work.
We do good work.
So they said that couldn't be done, but look at it. We got that tire on. It's not straight. We don't need it to be straight. We just need to go right over there. So that's no problem. That's no problem. That's what we're after. I mean, this car's super nice, man. It's nice. Man, first test drive. JP, he's firing it up. Yeah, first test drive in the old Nissan Altima S 2015. We're not driving far. Just gonna get it in the old shop. Look at that. So it's first things first. We noticed that the AC wasn't cold this summertime, so we're gonna get the machine. We're gonna get the machine. We're gonna hook it up. We're gonna see what's wrong with the AC. First things first. Looky there, this thing's so nice you can change the color of your little car. So we changed it black to match. Whoops, hang on. Change it to red. Look at this. Look at that. I like red. Yeah, let's keep it red. Man, JP, he made it red, but we're not painting this thing red all over. Hey, y'all didn't tell me I had grease on my face. Man, we are just super excited about this little car. It's a budget build. You know, like I said earlier, it's for a young man. He's trying to better himself. He's going to school. He went off to college, and you know, this is going to be a great car, and it's going to be a budget, and we're going to stick to the budget. You know, we ordered those parts, and I'm super excited to get started on it and get it going. We've already made a huge improvement today. I mean, just got it on its wheels. We got everything moving. You know, it's rolling on its own. It's got remote start. It's a special edition. You just can't ask for nothing else. But I tell you what, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.